I'm so excited to bring you along on this incredible adventure in Abu Dhabi. From heart-pumping activities to moments of peace and reflection, Abu Dhabi has something for everyone. Let's dive into my top adventures in this stunning city. Our adventure begins with a high-speed driving experience at YMC Abu Dhabi. Nothing beats the rush of racing through the streets of this vibrant city. It's an unforgettable way to kick off our journey, and I cannot thank DCT Abu Dhabi enough for making this possible. The thrill of taking the wheel on some of the city's best tracks was absolutely next level. Next up, we head to the SeaWorld Yas Island, and let me tell you, this place is huge. I got to get up close with some of the most incredible creatures. We just saw the sea lion show here. It was so amazing. उन्होंने इतने अच्छे से perform किया. They were waving at us, and like the audience was also like screaming and so happy. Let's go watch the dolphin show. I'm so excited. No trip to Abu Dhabi would be complete without stepping into the world of Warner Brothers world. So guys, today we are at Warner Bros and I'm so happy to be here. We are right now at Gotham City. I love Batman and we're going to see everything around here and see what's going on. Let's go. This was truly a childhood dream come true. Hi guys, so finally we are at that place where I've always wanted to come. It's Ferrari World. I'm so excited. I love Team Ferrari. I'm a big F1 fan and just being here is such a special time. So let's see what all is inside. We are here at the tour of all the cars from 2002, 2003 and it's a very special place because Michael Schumacher, who has been one of the GOATs for Ferrari, and in terms of Formula racing, he's been that person who has probably inspired millions and billions of people, and it's so nice to be here and just read more about him, get to know more about him. Next, I took a break from the fast-paced action to discover the artistic side of Abu Dhabi at the House of Artisans. Hi guys, so today we are at House of Artisans exhibition and I'm really happy to be here because ये एक नई exhibition है जहाँ पे Gulf region में जितने भी artists हैं उनके artwork को display किया गया है. So let's go and check it out. So this is the beautiful art piece. This is the first piece that we are seeing and it is so beautiful because it represents the Islamic culture and I love how the shadow is falling on the ground. It is so beautiful.
This is the mehendi process. So it comes from a plant actually. So if you look here, you can touch it if you want.
Wow.
So it's a plant actually that you can find here in the UAE.
They have mehendi like us.
This place is a treasure trove of Emirati culture, showcasing the finest handmade crafts. I had the chance to interact with some of the most incredible artisans, learning more about their techniques and the rich history behind each piece. A trip here would not be complete without experiencing Team Lab phenomena. This digital art exhibit was an absolute masterpiece. The interactive exhibits made me feel like I was a part of the artwork itself. From mesmerizing light shows to shifting patterns, Team Lab is an immersive experience that challenges the boundaries of art and technology. It's a place where creativity comes to life in the most stunning ways. Okay, after all that innovation, let's take a moment to relax and take in the beautiful sights once more before we wrap up our adventure.